Hi everyone, this is Pat with Right Channel Radios, and in front of me today I have the Midland MXT275 GMRS radio. This is one of the most popular models that we sell, mostly because it's compact, it has all the controls in the handset, and it comes at an affordable price. Let's take a closer look. Again, you can see here on the handset of the radio, similar to some really popular CB radios like the Cobra 75, all the controls are in the handset of this. So if you drive a vehicle that has limited cab space like a Jeep, a Tacoma, 4Runner, something like that, this is going to be an ideal radio for you because you can mount the control box under your seat, under the dash, maybe onto the side of the console. And then when you're ready to use the radio, you simply plug the mic into the front of the power box here, and you are set and ready to go. On the back side of the control box is where you attach the antenna, and also has the power cord. There is a jack here too for an external speaker if you don't want to just rely on the speaker in the handset. Inside the box also includes a very small magnet antenna, which is nice because it gets you up and going. However, if you're looking for maximum range out of your 15-watt radio, I recommend going with an antenna a little bit larger, maybe a 3 dB or a 5 dB antenna mounted on the hood, maybe on the roof if you have room, on your bull bar, anything like that. Also included with the radio is a fused power cord with a little DC connector on it. Let's get into the functions of the radio. You can see on the handset, of course, in the middle you have volume button. Here's your menu button to access the internal menu. There's call feature, a channel monitor feature, and weather channels. You can also lock all the buttons on the radio so you're not accidentally switching channels. When you're getting into some rowdy terrain, switching off the channel you need to be on and losing contact with your buddies. On the side is push to talk mic. On the top, you have channel buttons and the power button as well. And then on the opposite side, you have a little flap that opens up where you can add an additional speaker or microphone onto that. That would be for more kind of like a hands-free use if you want to add a headset or something like that. But probably not necessary with this particular model unless you have a unique use case. So again, this is the 15-watt Midland MXT275 GMRS radio. It's one of the most popular models that we sell for the GMRS crowd. If you guys found this helpful, we would absolutely love to earn your business at Right Channel Radios. Have a great day. If you're looking for a setup for your vehicle, or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at rightchannelradios.com.